Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Is Google Chrome turning your laptop into a space heater? If your fan is spinning like crazy and your tabs are lagging, you aren't alone. Today, I'm going to show you 4 hidden settings in Chrome that will instantly slash your CPU usage and free up your IAM. Let's dive in. See, this is my task manager. If you observe, Chrome is eating up most of the memory on my laptop. This process group is in efficiency mode to limit resources. This means the system is automatically limiting CPU and memory for background processes like Chrome, Edge tabs, Teams. Now we will see 4 simple steps to fix the issue. First, let's use Chrome's own performance engine. Click the 3 dots in the corner. Go to Settings. Currently there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total 12 tabs on Chrome. At left side, you will see all options. Here, select Performance. Ensure Memory Saver is toggled on. This feature automatically deactivates background tabs you aren't using. Also, turn on Energy Saver. This reduces the frame rate of background animations, which is a huge CPU saver for laptop users. Next, go to System Settings. Look for Hardware Acceleration. If you have a dedicated GPU, keep this on. But if you're on a budget laptop and Chrome feels heavy, try toggling this off to see if your CPU handles a load better. While you're here, go to Privacy and Security and clear your cached images and files. A bloated cache can slow down your processor's ability to render pages quickly. Most people don't know Chrome has its own task manager. Press Shift plus Escape. Hey, you can see exactly which tab or extension is eating your resources. If you see an extension using 500 megabytes of RAM or spiking your CPU, select it and hit End Process. This stops the lag without crashing your entire browser. If you observe, Gmail is eating up a lot of memory. If I don't want one, I will delete the tab on Chrome which is taking the highest memory. Then we will check Task Manager. In the Task Manager, you can observe improved memory saving for Chrome process. Previously, it was 1800. Now it is under 1000. Lot of memory management improvement after all these settings. Finally, look at your extensions. Every icon in your top bar is a process running in the background. Remove anything you haven't used in a month. Each extension you delete is more RAM available for your actual work. As you can see, our resource usage has dropped significantly. If this helped your laptop run faster, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech optimization tips. Drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next one.